Hello heroes, Brody Bunch, Busy Bees, and Miss Ray's class. Let's take a look at our amazing words. Our first word is treat. A treat is something that you don't have all the time, makes it a little bit special. Grabbed, to take something suddenly. Properly, doing something correctly. Behavior, how someone acts. Consider, think about doing something. Chewing, moving something in your mouth using your teeth and tongue. Chased, to go after something. Reprimand, correct someone or something's behavior. Be sure to study your words so you're ready to do your close read on Wednesday. The close read can be found in the reading resources link. If you scroll all the way down, I believe it is the last page for you to look at.